Welcome back. Today is all about resistance training for your soft palate. We are using Bhramari, the humming breath. By creating a deep vibration, we are toning the tissues in the back of your throat so they don't go slack and vibrate, which is exactly what snoring is. So, we're going to do deep, slow inhale from the nasal cavity and that humming sound in your throat. Okay, so feel the buzz at the back of your throat as you inhale, and you feel that soft humming sound at the back of your throat. Keep the pitch low, lower the sound, deeper the buzz, deeper the effect you will create. So, we're going to do that deep muscle work here. Continue. Feel that humming sound in your throat. Continue taking deep breaths. You can keep your eyes open or closed as your choice. Just go deeper and deeper. One last time here. One last exhale. And release. 3 minutes of humming can change your sleep quality. Follow my channel and let me know in the comments if you can feel the buzz in your throat.